Hi everyone, welcome to my latest video. My name is Pixie and what I would like to cover today is how to upload your video to YouTube. This is an extension on my existing video on how to create a Gmail and YouTube videos, which can be found on my channel. First, you have to make the video, obviously. Now, issues I've had making the video is first finding the right software and finding the right microphone. My channel personally isn't gaining as much traction as I would have liked, so I'm not going to spend too much on software or a microphone. So the software that I'm using is Movavi, which is cheap. It is actually not bad software, but I prefer to buy Camtasia, which is too expensive, and the microphone I'm using is a cheapy one from eBay. Second, you go to YouTube and you log into your account and upload your video. So I'm just going to do that now. So I'm already logged in, so I'm going to log out. And all you do is when you go to YouTube, there is a sign in button here, so you click on sign in and you sign in with your account. Type in your password. I think that's it. And it logs you in, and then you click on the create video or post icon. Then you click on upload video. Now, before I upload the video, I'm going to change it to private, and then I'm going to select the file to upload. So I'm going to just upload a video that I've already uploaded previously. Where to go? Where did it go? There it is. Sorry about that. Now, while it is uploading, there are two things that you need to get correct: the title and the description. So if we go to YouTube and we search for something, the title and the description are the first things that come up. Now, my video is number 3 here, which is quite exciting. So, yeah, I'm a bit thrilled about that. All the videos have the first 2 lines of the description, so people do read that. So it is important that you get this 2-line description correct. You can update this description later, however, first impressions count. So I have only just learnt this tip. And I would suggest anyone who wants to create a YouTube video to do some research first, rather than be like me and create videos and then do the research. Which is what I did. So once you have your title and description, so I'm just going to put a fake one in because I'm not going to actually use this video. You put in some tags. So this is how YouTube will find your video. So you can change this later. However, this is how people will find you. So it is quite important. So you need to put in some relevant tags to your video. Virus scanner. So it does come up with some suggestions once the video is uploaded. So once the video has finished, it is almost done. Feels when you're watching it, it's like a boiling pot. It seems to take ages. I know you shouldn't watch a boiling pot, but I always do. I am one of those that like watching pots while they boil. Now, it does say that you can go to other pages and do other stuff, but I like to just watch it to make sure that it is going to do what I ask it to do, which it says now it's done. So now it's going to go and process the video. So it will process it, and this will take its sweet time. Seems to be very slow today. When I initially uploaded this video, I had a lot of issues actually, and it took over an hour. Hopefully we're not going to be here for an hour. If this does take too much longer, I will pause the video and then come back. Not that I know how to stitch two videos together in Movavi, but hey, I'm sure I can figure it out. So I think it is safe to say that you can click away from this video now. So once the video is completed, you get to choose a thumbnail. Now I'm just gonna go over to my channel. What are you doing? Going where I click, of course. Not sure why my channel is not there, but so I'm going to go to the YouTube beta option. So as part of uploading your video, you can choose a thumbnail. So this will appear when you're copying and pasting links into places. Now the video that I watched on this actually allowed you to add a custom thumbnail, and now I actually have seen that. So if I go to my video, yes, this is an existing video that I have thumbnails. Now I don't see an option to add a custom thumbnail at all. But I know I've seen this, so I know it's possible. So I don't know, whatever reason, it doesn't work for me. Any help from anyone to get around this would be greatly appreciated. So once it's finished publishing and once it's finished processing, it is now live on YouTube. You can now promote it however you please. I am currently using Instagram, but I'm thinking I'm going to start using Twitter to help promote my channel. So this is the YouTube beta option, and you saw me click on the video, and from here you can edit your description, your title, your tags, and your thumbnail. And there is an option to use YouTube's editing software. So I'm going to just go back to the previous page, because this one's already been played with, and click on the video that's uploading. And it has actually removed it because it's a duplicate of the other video. So, okay, that's fine. Well, that's a good thing to know. You can't upload the same video twice. So I'm just going to delete it. So I just sort of glossed over that. Sorry about that. So I'm going to click on delete video and understand that I'm going to delete it from YouTube and delete, and it will go away. Okay, so I'm going to play with a video that I haven't played with before. So this video I haven't played with. I'm going to click on editor. And you can click on add end screen. Now, I've seen many YouTubers use this. It seems like a really cool option. So what it allows you to do is you can have 2 videos and a subscribe. So subscribe to your channel at the end of your video, which is quite cool. So you can say, I want most recent uploaded and best viewer, and perfect. And then you just go save changes. And it goes and processes the video, and then if you go back, ignore that wanting to save it again. So I did it on this video earlier. So if we go to the end of this video, oops, we want to go back to my channel now. So click on yourself and go to your channel to see this change. And we're going to play that with no sound because we don't want to hear it. We want to go to the end, and this is the end screen which I added in, which is linking back to my videos, which I really like this feature. I really wish I knew more about it earlier. As I've said in my previous videos, I'm still learning. Let's learn this stuff together. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share on my videos. I really want this to become more of a community. With some feedback would be nice. I hope to see you in my next video. Let's chat then. Bye.